Do you guys remember how last week, yes, we learned about apples? This right here is going to show you the life cycle of an apple. So how an apple starts, okay? And this activity is going to show you all the different parts of an apple. You guys are pulling that apart? Good job. So which one do you guys want to do first? You want to do this one? You guys want to learn about or review the life cycle of an apple?
Apple.
This is an apple, yes. This one, these are apples. We got lots of apples on here. So right here, put it in the center. Apple life cycle. Good job. So how does an apple start? Do you guys remember? Does an apple start as an apple tree? As a little leaf?
Yeah.
So before it turns into this, what do we have to put inside the ground? A seed? So we start with the seed. After we put the seed in the ground, it turns into a little tree. Do you see that, Serena? And then from the little tree, it grows into a big tree. So what comes first? Flowers or the apples?
Flowers.
Flowers. Flowers come first. Catch, mommy.
Apple.
And then the apple tree. Yes. That's good. Catch. We're catching apples. Oh,
Not the cat.
just to review. It starts as a seed, turns into a little tree, grows into a big tree. Remember, after like 5 or 7 years?
Yeah.
Then it has little flowers. And from the flowers, you get apples. What are the parts of an apple?
This one mine.
How about you work with this one? What's on the outside? What part of the apple is red? Do you guys remember? The skin.
Skin.
The skin is the outside of the apple and it's red. Now, the inside. What color is the inside of the apple?
Brown.
Brown? What color is
White.
the inside? White. So you got the red skin, the white center. You guys see that? And then what do some... Oh, you want to go to the middle? What's in the middle of your apple, you guys?
Seeds.
Seeds. In the center of the apple, we find seeds. So we have our skin, the inside, and then seeds in the middle. What can sometimes be found on top of an apple?
A leaf.
A leaf. What color is your leaf, Serena?
Green.
Green. And what is this brown part? A stem.
A stem.
So you have a green leaf,
A green leaf.
a brown stem,
A brown stem.
your apple,
The apple.
and then the inside of an apple.
And then the
So when you guys cut an apple in half, that's what it looks like in the center.
It's really yummy.
It is really yummy.